Welcome to Vidya Miran. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 12, Exponents and Powers, and today we are going to begin with exercise 12.1 from NCERT. Question number 1, evaluate 3 raised to power minus 2, minus 4 raised to power minus 2 and 1 by 2 raised to power minus 5. Now the rule over here is whenever you have the negative powers, you will take its reciprocal to change it into positive powers. So 3 raised to power minus 2 will become 1 upon 3 square. So 3 square means 3 into 3, your answer comes to 1 upon 9. Minus 4 raised to power minus 2. So to make the powers positive, I will take its reciprocal. So it will become 1 upon minus 4 square. So minus 4 into minus 4, minus minus will become plus. Answer comes 1 upon 16. Next, 1 upon 2 whole raised to power minus 5. Now 2 is in the denominator. When I take its reciprocal, 2 will become numerator and power will become positive. So it will become 2 raised to power 5. So answer comes to 32. Question number 2. Simplify and express the results in power notation with positive exponents. Now here let us see what is the question. Minus 4 raised to power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to power 8. And the rule for division, when you have same base, what we do is we subtract the powers, which means it will become minus 4 raised to power 5 minus 8, that is minus 4 raised to power minus 3. It is minus 3, we have to convert it into positive, so we will take its reciprocal. It will become 1 upon minus 4 raised to power 3. Next, 1 by 2 raised to power 3, the whole raised to power 2. So it will become 1 upon 2 cube, it is already there. And what we do when we have the common brackets in them, we will multiply the powers. So it becomes 1 upon 2 raised to power 6. Next, minus 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5 upon 3 raised to power 4. Now you have 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. It means you can subtract those powers. So 3 raised to power 4 minus 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0, and anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 into 5 raised to power 4 is your final answer. Next, 3 raised to power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to power minus 10 multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 5. In the case of division, when you have same base, we will subtract the powers, and in the case of multiplication, we will add the powers. So in the first case, it is a division bracket, so let us open the bracket by subtracting the powers. So we will keep the minus sign in the center. So 3 raised to power minus 7 minus of minus 10 multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 5. So minus 7 minus of minus 10 will become minus 7 plus 10. Minus minus is plus. So minus 7 plus 10. So that becomes 3. So minus 7 plus 10 is 3. So 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power minus 5. Now in the case of multiplication, we add the powers. So it becomes 3 raised to power 3 plus minus 5, that is minus 2. So to remove the negative, we will take its reciprocal. It will become 1 upon 3 square. Next, 2 raised to power minus 3 multiplied by minus 7 raised to power minus 3. Now when you have same powers, we can multiply the base. So it will become 2 multiplied by minus 7, which is minus 14 raised to power minus 3, and to make the power positive, it will become minus 1 upon 14 cube. Question number 3. Find the value of 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. We have to find its value. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 raised to power 0, I have written 1. 4 raised to power minus 1, it will become 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Take the LCM, it becomes 5 upon 4 multiplied by 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 gets cancelled, so answer is 5. Next part. 2 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2. Now what we will do is we will try to change 4 into power form. We can easily convert into 2 base. So it becomes 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So we want minus 1. So it will become minus 2. So 2 raised to power minus 1 multiply by 2 raised to power minus 2 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2. So in the case of multiplication, we will add the base. In the case of division, we will subtract. So I have written it in one line. When you open the brackets and solve it, you get 2 raised to power minus 1, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Next, 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to power minus 2. So just take its reciprocal, it becomes 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Answer comes to 29. Next, 3 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 raised to power minus 1, and it is whole raised to power 0, and we know anything raised to power 0 is 1. So answer is 1. Next, minus 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 the whole 2. So when there is a bracket, we multiply the powers. So minus 2 upon 3 the whole, it becomes minus 4. And to make it positive powers, we will take its reciprocal. It becomes minus 3 upon 2 whole raised to power 4, which is 81 upon 16. Minus will become plus. Next, 8 raised to power minus 1 into 5 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power minus 4. Now we can convert this 8 with the base of 2. We know 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So we can write 2 raised to power minus 3 multiply by 5 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power minus 4. So 2 and 2 is there, which is divided. We know in the case of division, we subtract the powers. So just keep the subtraction in the center and put other things in the bracket to avoid mistake. So it becomes 2 raised to power minus 3 minus of minus 4 multiply by 5 raised to power cube, which is 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 4 multiply by 5 raised to power 3. So 2 raised to power 1 into 5 cube, which is 2 into 125. Answer comes to 250. 5 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 1 into 6 raised to power minus 1. Now you have same powers, 5 raised to power minus 1 and 2 raised to power minus 1, and it is in the bracket. We can multiply the base and keep the powers outside the bracket. So it becomes 5 into 2 the whole minus 1 into 6 raised to power minus 1. 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 raised to power minus 1 multiply by 6 raised to power minus 1. Remove the negative power. So it becomes 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 6. So answer is 1 upon 60. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Now here you see all the base is same, it is 5 only. We will just apply the rule. In the case of division, we subtract the powers. So we will rewrite it. It will become 5 raised to power m minus of minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5, which is 5 raised to power m plus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Now your base is same, so we will just take the powers and solve it. It will be m plus 3 is equal to 5. M comes out to be 2. You can even check this by putting the value of m in the question and see whether your answer is coming 5 raised to power 5 or not. Next, evaluate. Now there are big brackets given. In the case of first, if you see 1 upon 3 whole raised to power minus 1 minus of 1 upon 4 whole raised to power minus 1 and the whole big bracket again minus 1. So first we will solve the inside bracket. We will take the reciprocal to remove the negative powers. So it will become 3 minus 4 the whole raised to power minus 1. And 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power minus 1, which will be minus 1 only. Second part. 5 upon 8 raised to power minus 7 multiply by 8 upon 5 raised to power minus 4. So what we will do is we will try to keep 8 in the numerator or 5 in the denominator, or you can keep 5 in the numerator or 8 in the denominator. Anyways you can do. Now if in the first part, if I take its reciprocal by converting the power into positive, it will become 8 upon 5 raised to power 7. Multiply by, let us keep it same, 8 upon 5 raised to power minus 4. And we know that in the case of multiplication we add the powers. So it will become 8 upon 5 whole raised to power 7 minus 4, which is 3. Answer comes to 512 upon 125. Second part. 3 raised to power minus 5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 into 125 upon 5 raised to power minus 7 into 6 raised to power minus 5. Now 10 can be written as 2 into 5, 125 can be written as 5 cube, and 6 can be written again as 2 into 3. So according to the powers, your situation becomes 3 raised to power minus 5 into 2 raised to power minus 5 into 5 raised to power minus 5 into 5 raised to power 3 upon 5 raised to power minus 7 into 2 raised to power minus 5 into 3 raised to power minus 5. So let us use the division rule here. So 3 raised to power minus 5, you have minus 5 below also, it becomes 3 raised to power minus 5 plus 5 into 2 raised to power minus 5 plus 5 into 5 raised to power 7 minus 5 plus 3. So according to this, you get 3 raised to power 0 into 2 raised to power 0 into 5 raised to power 5, and anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is into 5 raised to power 5. You can sort it out. So answer is this. Thank you so much children for watching the video till the end. I hope you must have found it easy. Just see whether you have to apply the division rule or you have to use the multiplication rule, or when bracket is given and two powers are there, what is to be done. Please do lots of practice. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, you can mention in the comment section, or you can also email me. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.